This is exciting. This is Richie. And there's something we call the Richie foot, which is he has a back leg out all the way so you can grab it. But he's got a second back leg connected to the Richie foot. Got Richie foot. You got this little, oh, stretch it out, homie. How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, I woke you up, but I know you want some love and play. There's the yawn. Yeah, how you doing, buddy? How you doing? There's a Richie foot. Silly, silly Richie. Silly, silly Richie. Oh, but he's my goofy, cute boy. Oh, yeah. Silly kitty you are. What a silly kitty you are. The silliest. Okay. I think we're done. Look at that tail flapping. Look at that tail just flapping.